Hey guys, welcome to Freedom Life Secrets channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $1,500 per month online as a complete beginner. So before we get started, if you're brand new to my channel, I'll be making videos on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, how to create sales funnel and email marketing. So if you're interested, please hit that subscribe button and let's get started with today's topic. So what you will learn in this video is how you can achieve $1,500 per month as a passive income. When I say passive income, all you need to do is put in all your hard work and create all the content initially, and that content is going to serve as a passive income. And also this method is absolutely free to get started. You can get started right away after watching this video. So please make sure you stay till the end because I'm going to give you a free gift that will help you implement your ideas into action with this method. So in order to achieve $1,500, I'm going to use a business model called as affiliate marketing. So if you don't know what is affiliate marketing is, whenever you refer someone through a particular product using your affiliate link, you get whenever somebody buys through that link and you get paid a commission. It's a simple concept where you will go ahead and sign up for an affiliate network or a program, and you get your unique affiliate links, and all you need to do is just refer people to your unique link, and whenever they go to that particular product page and they make a purchase, you make certain amount of commissions depending on the program you have signed up for. It's a simple concept and it's a very easy to get started with online business because here you don't need to own a product, or you don't need to have to take care of the shipping or the support or the inquiry and all other stuff. All you need to do is focus on your marketing skills, and it also doesn't need large capital investment in order to get started with this thing, because that's why I love affiliate marketing. It's the best way to get started with our online business. All right, so now you understood the concept, and you want to make sure like what kind of affiliate offers you should choose before before promoting it. And also I have made a separate video on what kind of affiliate offers you should choose, but also I'll explain in this video as well. In simple steps, I'm going to tell you that this is something people need. What I meant that is, the product you're going to promote, there should be certain people that are looking for this product. I mean, this product should have a market value. That's when it's going to it's going to sell outside the market. And also it's something with a good credibility, because you don't want to choose such a product that already have a negative credibility in the market. Let's say you promote a product to some negative product to your group or email list or your followers, and they make that purchase, and if they don't like that product, they will not blame the product, because they will remember you, because you are the one who recommended that product to them. And it's also some kind of affects your brand. So make sure you choose such a product that has a good credibility reputation in the market. And also a product that pays you very well. I mean, something with a recurring commission, that have a high ticket products. So in this example, I'm going to explain recurring commissions, because recurring commission is the long-term way you can make money. Because as an affiliate marketer, you may not even make money. I mean, some months you make a very large amount of money, some weeks you don't even make single penny. So if you sign up for recurring commissions plans, once you refer somebody to that particular product, you keep on getting the commission as long as the person is active. So that's why it's I mean, in my personal opinion, like, I always recommend recurring commissions programs, because that's the way how the long-term game works here. So now, considering all these points, I'm going to choose a product that you can go ahead and promote. I'm going to choose a product called as Getresponse. Getresponse is a email marketing software, where people can use this software to sort of like build their email marketing list and create landing pages, webinars, and also they can create automation, like what email should go to at what time, and if he clicks the link, what should happen next. You can do all those automations with this software, and this is one of the best softwares out there, because I personally use this software. And also, all you need to do is just come to getresponse.com. I'll leave in the description. You can go ahead and check this out, and come here at the bottom and just select affiliate programs. Once you click on affiliate programs, it's going to take you to this page where you can come here and sign up for their affiliate network. There are two plans. Basically, they pay you out. One is one-time commission, that is $100. One more is recurring commission program that they pay you 33% commissions. In my opinion, you should always go for recurring program. Once you click here, and why, I'll tell you why you should choose recurring program. Because GetResponse comes up with different plans. They always have a 30 days free trial, no credit card required. So that's a kind of bait that they're using. So you can just send people to their free trial. That's it. All you need to do is, and now once they complete their free trial, they will have different plans. One is basic, plus, professional, and enterprise. Basic plan starts with $15 per month for a list size of 1000. Obviously, anybody using this software, they will increase their size list, and as their list increases, let's say they built a list of 25,000, and they don't want to stop using this software because they already have a list of 25,000, and they are paying $145 per month now, because depending on their list size. And you're gonna keep on making 33% commission of everything that they're going to upgrade. Like it can go beyond. So that's why I always choose recurring commission, because people are going to stay long term with this software, because this has a good reputation, and it helps people to make more money with, I mean, with email marketing and all other stuff. So make sure you sign up with the recurring commission plan, and you, I mean, once you get your affiliate link, all you need to do is just go ahead and promote that affiliate, I mean, promote this particular product. Next step I'm going to talk about is how you can actually promote this software. So in order to make it absolutely free, all you need to do is you can go ahead and create tutorials about how you can, what is the best email marketing software, or what is the best email marketing software out there, and how GetResponse review 2020. You can type all the, you can make tutorials on all those keywords, and you can try this software yourself for free for the first 30 days. You will understand the importance, like how this is going to help people. And let's say one of the video I have created is how to build an affiliate marketing funnel. I guess it's right over here. And while explaining, you can keep your affiliate link in the description. That way you provide value to your customers, like how this software is going to help them. And also, if they sign up through you for any particular product that I mean, any particular plan that they're going to choose, you make 33% commission of this. Now you may ask, like, you may get scared, like, I don't want to create a YouTube video, I'm not expertise because I don't have any subscribers yet. So trust me guys, everything starts with zero. All you need to do is just take action. So if you keep on thinking that, okay, I'm not good enough for this, I don't have any followers, or I don't have any results yet, just don't think about it, just do it. Just you go ahead and start your YouTube channel and start creating content. I'll also show you how you can get ideas, where actually you can find the ideas to create the content. So you need to go to a site called answerthepublic.com. It's also absolutely free. I mean, they may have a, I mean, upgraded version. I never tried it, because all you need to do is just come here and type something that you want to search the topics, and people are interested about that particular topic. Let's say I'm just typing email marketing software here. What it will do is it will give you all the topic ideas that people are searching online. Let's say email marketing software. How does marketing software work? Which email marketing software is the best? Which email marketing software? And also you need to make sure that you don't want to target like best email marketing software. That keyword you're never going to rank, because there are already people creating content around that. You need to choose a long-term key, I mean long key, because only less people will be targeting that keyword, and you have a great chance to get ranked for that particular keyword. And once you start getting traffic using those long-term keywords, you get authority in YouTube, and YouTube will understand like you're creating a best content out there. Then it will start ranking you for, I mean, very short keywords as well. But before, if you're starting out, just go for the long tail keywords. That's the way to win this online business game, guys. You can find many ideas here. Email marketing software with the landing pages. Okay, GetResponse has that. You got your keyword, and now once you go through different keywords, you get an idea like what kind of content I should create. And as you do this, you will actually become an expert in this area, and also it will help you serve your audience. Once that happens, they build trust in you and you're gonna keep on making money. So as I shown you here, like this is one of my video where I'll be showing how to create an affiliate marketing funnel. In that I'm explaining how they can integrate Getresponse with Clickfunnels. I'm promoting 2-3 products here like Clickfunnels and Getresponse as well. You can do such things and that will help you build your content. This is absolutely free. You don't need to pay anything right now here, whatever I have explained you right now. Now let's do some math. Let's say you create 5 videos about Getresponse, like how this is going to help. And YouTube is an instant traffic, like it's not going to take forever to drive traffic to you if you're targeting the right keywords. Because let's be practical. If you create 5 videos on Getresponse, you got the ideas from answerthepublic.com, and let's say considering each video gets 2 clicks per day for gets two clicks per day. So it's actually 10 clicks per day because you have created 5 videos and you get 10 people visiting your affiliate link. I'm considering the least here because once your channel grows big, the number goes on increasing. Let's consider 10 clicks per day is not a bad thing. It will 300, that means 300 clicks per month, 3600 clicks per year. So guys, imagine, so you're driving so much traffic to your affiliate link and the conversion rate will be very high because Getresponse itself is a very popular software and people do want that software, and it also has a free 30-day trial because you're not sending to a very high ticket product, you're just sending the people to a free trial, so the conversion rate will also be higher. So I'm just talking about 5 videos here. You can go on creating content, you can go on creating videos that will stack up your content online, and as you create your online larger content, the more traffic you will drive to your affiliate links and the more money you're gonna make. So that's the best way how you can get started with this guys. You can also check my other videos how I'm actually implementing these steps on my channel as well. You can also do blogging, but blogging is going to take some time because YouTube is instant traffic. You can always drive traffic immediately. I hope it makes sense. All you need to do is choose a right product, all right, as I explained, and you need to focus on one traffic method. YouTube is the gold mine because it's absolutely free and it's second largest search engine in the world. So go ahead and create content guys, and you don't worry much about what I don't have any subscribers yet. No, everything starts with 0 to get started today. And also, as I told you in the beginning of my video, I'm going to give you a free gift that will help you grow this method. That is, check out the link in the description, freedomlifesecrets.com, where you can get a free training absolutely how you can start your business from zero, how you can make more money, passive income, step by step. This course is from my mentor Sebastian Gomez. Right now this is absolutely free course. In the coming days it's going to be a paid one. I don't know when it will be paid one, but definitely go ahead and check this out. You will learn how to generate $100 to $1,000 per day online, even if you're completely new. So even if you're advanced, moderate level, like what is affiliate marketing, and you have never made a money, or if you're absolutely new to this industry, you should go ahead and check this link guys. Hope it made sense, like what kind of products you should choose and what actually you need to do. If you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section. If you like the video, give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you got value. Let's see you on the next one. Thank you guys.